In this video, I'll guide you through how to upload files to Dropbox without syncing them to your computer. This is really useful if you want to free up space on your device, but still keep your files safely stored in the cloud and accessible whenever you need them. First, make sure you're on your desktop, looking at your normal computer screen. You'll start by opening File Explorer. On Windows, you can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar, or by pressing the Windows key and the letter E on your keyboard. File Explorer is where you see all your folders, drives, and files on your computer. Once File Explorer is open, look over to the left side of the window. You'll see a panel with different locations listed, such as this PC, documents, and downloads. In that list, you should also see an entry for Dropbox. Go ahead and click on the Dropbox tab there. This opens your Dropbox folder, which works just like any other folder on your computer, but it's linked to your Dropbox account in the cloud. Now, find the file that you want to upload to Dropbox without keeping a synced copy on your computer. This could be a large video, a project folder, or anything that's taking up space locally. Once you've located the file, right-click on it. This will open a context menu with a range of options related to that file. With that menu open, move your cursor to the Dropbox section of the menu. Depending on your setup, you might see a Dropbox icon or an option labeled with Dropbox. Hover over or click that to reveal more Dropbox-specific actions for this file. This is where Dropbox gives you controls related to syncing and online storage. From these options, click on Make Online Only. When you select this, Dropbox will upload the file to your Dropbox cloud storage and then remove the local copy from your computer while still keeping a reference to it in your Dropbox folder. You'll still see the file listed there, but it won't take up space on your hard drive. As long as you're connected to the internet, you can open or download it whenever you need it. Keep in mind that making a file online only means you won't be able to open it offline because the full file lives in the cloud. If you later decide you want the file stored on your device again, you can right-click it in the Dropbox folder and choose the option to make it available offline or always keep on this device, depending on your Dropbox version. And that's it. By using the Make Online Only option from the Dropbox menu in File Explorer, you can upload files to Dropbox, clear up valuable space on your computer, and still keep everything organized and easy to access when you need it.